Glue Trap rodent pest control works by capturing mice and other small crawling pests on sticky boards placed along their runways, so you can remove them without a mechanical snap. Place low-profile glue boards flat along walls and behind appliances where mice travel, not out in open rooms, and wear disposable gloves when handling them. Use a string of 2 to 3 boards spaced a few inches apart along obvious runways so a wary mouse encounters at least one surface and cannot bypass the line. Check boards twice daily to limit suffering and to prevent larger predators from accessing a trapped animal. Combine trapping with sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch to stop new entries and with sanitation that removes food and water sources so mice have no reason to return. If local rules or your comfort level restrict glue boards, consider zero-contact alternatives such as live catch or snap traps and place those with the same runway logic and inspection frequency. For households with children or pets, always place glue boards inside enclosed bait stations or behind furniture to reduce accidental contact and label placements so others in the home know where traps are set. 3 common problems are catching non-target animals, slow capture that prolongs suffering, and rebound infestation after initial control. To reduce non-target captures, place boards in enclosed locations, use low-profile designs behind baseboards or inside crawl spaces, and remove boards promptly when not actively monitored. If capture seems slow, inspect placement and replace soiled boards, use multiple boards along the runway, and increase inspection frequency to twice daily so any trapped animal is found quickly. To avoid rebound infestations, combine trapping with sealing entry points and improve sanitation, and continue monitoring with a few maintenance boards for at least 2 weeks after activity stops. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share practical experiences about products like Glue Trap rodent solutions. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations and respond to homeowner questions so both sides get better outcomes.